Does your business look like it's working on the outside, but behind the scenes, it's pretty scary and messy? Well, you're in the right place so you can start taking action to change this. In today's episode, I'm sharing the real reason things feel so chaotic, and I'm going to talk about how a simple checklist can help you finally get clear on what's working, what isn't, and what to focus on first. So if you're ready to stop guessing and working so hard, keep listening. Welcome to the Mind Your Time podcast. I'm Shannon Baker, your coffee-loving host and business operations strategist. If your business feels chaotic and you're tired of spinning your wheels, you're in the right place. Each episode contains bold strategies and practical insights rooted in my Power in Motion framework to help you streamline your operations, reclaim your time, and grow without burnout. So whether you're just starting out or scaling to six figures and beyond, I'll help you simplify, set boundaries, and build a business that works for you. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage and let's dive in. Okay, tell me if you can relate to this. There was a time in my business when everything looked like it was working on the outside. Clients were coming in, revenue was steady, and I was getting things done. But behind the scenes, everything was literally held together with duct tape and a bunch of Google Docs. My business did not have real structure, just a lot of good intentions, a lot of long hours, and way too much missed time with my family. I was constantly reinventing the wheel, redoing work, so I was frustrated. I was doing a lot of things manually that could have been automated, and I was trying to stay on top of everything myself, and I wasn't doing very well with that. There were days where I felt like my business was dragging me behind it like it was on a runaway train. Does that sound familiar? Well, if you're nodding along because you've experienced some or all of this, then I want you to pay close attention to what I'm about to say. You're not doing anything wrong. You just need to run your business differently, and that means it's time for a new level of support. Because the truth is, most of us were never taught how to actually run the back end of a business. I know I wasn't, and the women inside of the Mighty Society membership said that they've run into the same issue. We've learned how to package and sell our services and how to show up online. We know how to serve our clients. But when it comes to building the systems that help you achieve sustainable growth, no one gives you a guide for that. And when you're stuck in the cycle of chaos, which, by the way, you can't avoid without systems, you end up telling yourself, I'll fix this when I have more time. Have you ever said that? But here's the truth. If you're constantly redoing tasks, rewriting the same emails, or avoiding or failing at delegating because everything lives in your head, that's not a time issue. That's a systems issue. So how can you stop spinning and start leading with clarity? Well, that's where the Power in Motion framework comes in. Now, I'm going to briefly talk about a few of the 5 steps shortly, but you can go back and listen to the episode, How to Achieve Consistent Success with the Power in Motion framework later, and that way you can hear about all 5 of the steps in detail. But this framework is the proven method that I developed while growing my business so that I could leave my part-time job, which I did at the end of 2023. And I have refined it even more since then by helping other purpose-driven women stop spinning their wheels in their business and start growing while living their legacy. Or in other words, knowing that they're able to enjoy life in the moment. But it always starts with the same tool. That's my back office power checklist. It's a self-assessment tool that helps you figure out what's working, what's missing, and what's slowing you down in your business so that you can apply this framework in a way that makes sense for you, your lifestyle, and your business. And I created this checklist because I got tired of seeing so many smart, talented, high-achieving female entrepreneurs stuck, frustrated, overwhelmed, exhausted, and burnt out by their business. And it wasn't because they weren't working hard. They were actually working too hard. And no matter how hard they worked, they didn't know what needed fixing in their business because they didn't have the space to pause or slow down to figure it out. The checklist is a starting point to quickly take the guesswork out of this process for you so that you can identify the issue. Now, let me share a real life example to emphasize how this works. One of my clients is a 6-figure service provider. She produces some amazing corporate events for her clients, but she was chained to her inbox. She didn't have an onboarding process, no central filing system. There were no boundaries in place, and she was spending countless hours every day and week sending the same emails over and over again. Not to mention her inbox was a mess. So she wasted a lot of time searching for emails she needed. And she was constantly getting text messages and unscheduled phone calls all day, 7 days a week. So I had her complete the checklist. And when we walked through her results together, she said, for the first time, I finally understand why I feel so drained and scattered. So the first thing we did was to focus on establishing some clear boundaries around her business. We set her business hours, and that established the window that she was available to respond to messages, to schedule meetings, and for phone calls. Then we documented her entire client experience so that we could build a system to make it more efficient and consistent. And after getting that in place, she was then able to delegate her new client onboarding for the first time ever in her business. That one system created an elevated experience for her clients because they knew what to expect from her right up front. They knew what she expected from them, and that process became more efficient, saving her time and energy. Not to mention, she was now freed up so she could focus on serving her client better because it was delegated to someone else, and this has resulted in some amazing referrals for her. The bottom line, this one process also improved her cash flow because her clients knew how they would be invoiced, when they would be invoiced, and how they needed to pay her. That's the power of clarity in systems, and that's exactly what the back office power checklist helps you discover. So I'm going to ask you a question. If nothing changes in the way you're running your business right now, what's it going to cost you over the next 90 days? And missed opportunities, lost time, energy you can't get back, family time you aren't really present for, or vacations that you're working through. Now let me tell you how this ties into the power in motion framework. Well, the first step is simple, but very powerful. You pick one goal. And this is where a lot of people get stuck for a number of reasons. One, most people focus on their business goals only, but I want you to focus on what is going on in your personal life first, because that dictates how much time you have left for your business. And as far as your business goal, it needs to fit the season that your life is in, because the checklist is going to help you identify quite a number of things that need your attention. But the priority needs to be what matches your goal right now for the next 90 days. And once you have identified that, you have to pick one thing that you're going to work on. No multitasking. And the second area of failure that I see is trying to fix everything at once. It's what we do by nature. But when we do that, we end up spinning our wheels and getting frustrated, so we give up. But progress actually comes from being focused and taking small steps. And now for step 2. It's all about organizing your operations, because let's be honest, if your back office is a mess, growth gets messy too. The back office power checklist is the perfect tool for this step. It actually walks you through the 6 core systems that every business needs to have in place to operate efficiently and grow without chaos. And this is whether you just started your business or you've been in business for years. That checklist will help you evaluate the following: how you organize and store your business files, how you schedule your time and protect your calendar, how you communicate with your team and your clients, how you manage your cash flow, how you attract, onboard, and serve your clients, and what happens if you need to step away, because let's be real, life happens. Remember, this isn't about fixing everything today. It's about knowing what you need to fix first. So when you complete the checklist, you're going to walk away with a snapshot of where you're strong, where you're stuck, and what's slowing you down. You're going to stop guessing, stop spinning, and start moving forward with purpose. So here's what I want you to do. Go to the show notes, click the link, and download the checklist right now. This is the kind of clarity that will pay you back with every minute you reclaim. So hit pause and grab that copy of the checklist if you're able to do so right now. Now, once you've done that, you might say, okay, Shannon, well, now I see the gaps, but I still don't know what I'm supposed to do about them. Well, that's where I can support you. And there are a couple of simple ways that we can move forward together, depending on the level of support that you're ready for. If there's one process or workflow that has really been frustrating you, even though technically it's in place, maybe it's your onboarding, managing your schedule, or even tracking leads. Whatever it is, you can book a one-time SOP efficiency check with me. You send me your process along with some supporting documentation. I review it and I tell you exactly what to fix, streamline, or automate. I also recommend resources that are available inside of the Mighty Society membership to help you update your existing process. No fluff, no generic advice, just a clear plan you can implement right away. And when I'm done, you're going to get a personalized recorded walkthrough from me with recommendations you can act on immediately without second guessing or searching for what to do next. Spots are limited each month because I give this my full attention. So if you know something's broken, but you can't figure out how to fix it on your own, now is the time to get it fixed and off your plate. Again, a link to that is in the show notes, but you can also go to my website, theshannonbaker.com/SOP check. Now, if you're ready for ongoing support, not just getting one process reviewed, then the Mighty Society membership is where you need to be. This is my revamped membership for women entrepreneurs who are done trying to hold everything together on their own and are ready to grow with clarity and restore calmness to their life. You get direct access to my brain, access to the resources I use with my one-on-one clients, and access to a community of like-minded women in different stages of their business journey who support each other. But look, no matter what you decide to do, I want you to grab the checklist because clarity isn't optional if you want to succeed. Completing the checklist and taking action is your first step to reclaiming your time, protecting your energy, and getting your business out of your head and into a system that actually supports your goals. So let's do a quick recap before I wrap it up today. 1, I want you to remember you're not the problem. Your lack of systems is the issue. So if you're feeling behind, scattered, or you feel like you can't take a day off without everything falling apart, it's not a reflection of your expertise or your ability because I know you are amazing. It's a sign that your business is relying on you too much and you need systems to support you. We also talked about the power in motion framework, which will help you stop reacting and help you start building your business with intention. Because it's not about doing more, it's about getting clear on what matters most to you and building systems that help you operate from purpose, not panic. This framework gives you structure, direction, and space to grow without burnout. And that back office power checklist is going to help you get clarity so you can take focused action. In about 15 minutes or so, you can uncover what's working, what isn't, and what to focus on first in your business. And it's not a to-do list. It's a decision-making tool created to help you cut through the chaos and stop spinning your wheels. And if you need help from me, whether it's one workflow or your entire back office, let me help you build something sustainable because you don't have to figure this out on your own. I don't want you to have to keep guessing what to do next. So complete the back office power checklist and then I want to hear from you. Tell me what system surprised you the most. What are you going to focus on first? Send me a DM on Instagram at _Shannon Baker or send me an email. I read every single message and I'll respond because I want to celebrate with you. I want to support you. I want to help you move forward. You don't have to keep holding your business together with duct tape and good intentions. You're going to get clarity when you finish that checklist. I want you to have that clarity now. And then the next step is waiting for you. You just have to take it. Thanks for hanging out with me this week. If you've made it this far, it's clear you're ready to shake things up and take control of your business, and I'm here for it. But remember, just listening to this episode won't get you better results. I challenge you to break the mold and take action today. Your next move? Let's connect. Head to the show notes and book a call with me to learn how the Mighty Society membership can help you streamline your back office and reclaim your time. If you're not ready for that step yet, no worries. Connect with me on Instagram at _Shannon Baker and tell me what resonated most from today's episode. And if you're loving the podcast, leaving a review is a quick way to show your support and help more entrepreneurs like you break free from the chaos. Listening is great, but action creates transformation. Go make it happen. And until next time, keep calm and streamline.